Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Alright, so what are we going to be doing today? We'll be making some kale chips. So this is the ingredients list. You can pause to take a look. So you want to wash and dry your kale thoroughly. I'm using a paper towel here to dry the leaves as best as I can. Now we're going to remove the leaves from the stems. So I'm just ripping it off the stem. We're going to drizzle with a little olive oil and then we're going to massage that in. So just kind of get the olive oil all over the kale leaves. And now comes where you can add your seasoning options. So you do whatever you prefer. I decided to use a little Cajun seasoning because I wanted it a little spicy. And you would add your salt after baking. You want to bake for 15 minutes at 185 degrees Fahrenheit. I think that's 85 Celsius. After it's finished, you add your salt and pepper and enjoy.